In today's video, we are going to demonstrate how to measure powdered ingredients using cup and also liquid in mils and in grams and ounce. This is our measuring cup that we'll be using for this demonstration, and we'll be using the number one size here, which is measurement, palette knife. We'll also be using and also a clean bowl. We'll be using for this demonstration as well. Firstly, we'll remove the number one size we need for this measurement, which is the size 1. We'll remove it from the clip and get the desired size we want for this measurement. As you can see, this is 1 cup. So you use the 1 cup to scoop the ingredients, then fill it very well and use palette knife to level it. Let it be level, like normal level. As you can see, this is 1 cup now, and you have to sieve. Always sieve your ingredients. Sieving your ingredients will help to remove unwanted dirt. You notice that sometimes your ingredients might be bad and you will not know until you sieve it. You begin to see some small particles, unwanted particles inside. So you have to always sieve, and also it helps to incorporate air, and it will help your batter to be moist. Like, the moisture will be so nice, the texture and everything, it helps as well. Also, for your baking powder and other powdered ingredients, you can as well do the same. Just get your desired measurement, the size, like the quantity you want to add, and measure it and add. Like for your baking powder, this is baking powder, you can as well do the same. Just get smaller, like this is 1 tablespoon. You can as well do the same using your baking powder and any other powdered ingredients. Just the same way, just the same way. And this is a teaspoon. You can as well do the same. You can as well do the same. This is a teaspoon. If you are not an expert, don't use the measurements you're seeing here by the right hand side of this video, because you will not get it right. Next is how to measure liquid. This is a cup. We have this cup is like 1000 ml. It's calibrated 1900, 950, 800, 850, 750 down to 50 ml. So if you are going to measure in mil, you get a cup, a calibrated cup like this. It will help you to get the actual measurements. This is also a measuring cup, but this is 4. It's not complete like the white one. The other white one is 8 in number, whereas this is just 4 in number. So it's just the same as the other one, but it's not complete. If you're buying from a baking shop, you go for this white one. That is the complete one. This is just the 4 as this one, but they sell everything together, 8 pieces of this white one, but the red one is just 4 pieces. Like this one, it doesn't have this small one. The red one doesn't have it. It's only the other 4. Welcome to my channel. My name is Gloria. Please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do us good by subscribing to our YouTube channel, and also comment, like, and share to others, and also click the bell icon so that whenever we post a good video, you'll be notified. Thank you. For measuring kg, grams and ounce, you can do that by using this measuring scale. It has different sizes, different colors, and different, like, this is only for 5 kg. It can carry up to 5 kg.